Namaste, welcome to Sarva. So today we are going to practice Deshi push-ups or just called the dunds. So before we get into the practice, make sure you don't have any health issues related to your shoulders, your back area or too excessive weight. So let's get started. So turn on your mat. So before we start, just lift your hips up, press your palms underneath the shoulder. We'll start with a very basic one. Tuck your toes in. We'll start with the basic stretch. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, lift your knees up, hips up, press your heels down into the floor. Inhale, exhale, drop your knee down, sit back into a child's posture. Take a deep breath, inhale, tuck your toes in, lift your knees up, hips up, press your heels into the floor, come to a downward dog. We'll go for 4 more. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Once again, go down, stretch yourself into a child. Inhale, lift your chest off your thighs, exhale, tuck your toes in, lift the knees up, hips up, press your heels down into the ground. Breathe. Inhale, drop your knee down, exhale, once again, child. Inhale to lift your hips up, exhale, child. Keep moving. Inhale to drop your knees down, exhale, child. Inhale to lift, exhale, downward dog. Breathe. Now just hold there for a while. Deep breaths. Fingers wide open, pressing your heels into the ground. Look into the navel or in between the legs. Breathe. 6. I'll just count for 6 count. Hold as much as you can. Breathe. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, drop your knee down, exhale. Once again, go down, sit back into a child. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, relax over there. Inhale once again, lift your chest up. Guys, before you start, just make sure you don't do much of a repetition. Just be in your limits, respect your limits. Take a deep breath, inhale. Once again, knees hip width wider, palm shoulder width wider. Now from here, exhaling, pressing your chest chin into the floor. Inhale, come up. So guys, your elbows might go outward like this when you do this. So be careful with that. Just make sure they're sliding through your trunk. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, go down. Inhale to lift your chest. While you're lifting your chest up, you have to press your palms strongly into the floor. Exhale. Inhale to lift your chest up. Exhale, go down. Inhale to lift your chest up, exhale, go down. Inhale to lift your chest up. Be careful your back, don't arch your back too much. If you feel your back is hurting, just be careful while going that. Exhale, go down. Inhale to lift your chest up, exhale, relax. Once again, go down into a child's posture. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Breathe. Just feel that bloating of abdomen over your thighs. Deep breaths. Inhale. Before you start, have a look. Once again, keeping your knees a bit wider. Slowly raise your right leg up towards the heaven. Take a deep breath, inhale. Now again, we are going to press our chest chin into the floor. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, lean forward. Inhale, exhale, take it down. Leg remains high. Inhale to come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale to come up. Exhale, go down. Just hold in here for a while. For the balance, you can tuck in your toes, looking front over there. Deep breaths. Breathe. 6, 5, 4. We'll come back quickly, don't worry. 3. Just breathe. 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. From there, just drop your right knee down. Inhale, lift your chest up, exhale. Now, same thing we are going to repeat on the left side. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Raise your left leg up higher. Inhale, deep to exhale. Press your chest chin down. Inhale to come up, exhale, go down. Inhale to come up, exhale. Keep moving, guys, just few more reps. Inhale to come up, exhale. If you feel not able to going downwards, just make sure, just go halfway, do halfway, exhale. This is also fine, guys, if you're not able to touch the floor, exhale down. Inhale to up, exhale. Last one. Inhale to up, exhale, just hold in there, breathe. Look front. Deep breaths. 6. Keep breathing. Catch your breath. It's your fuel. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, keep smiling, and 1. Inhale, lift your chest up, exhale, drop your knee down, come back, relax once again, sit to a child's posture. Breathe. Breathe. Now once again, inhale, lift your chest up to the last one. So this is going to be quite intense. Anywhere you feel like not doing it, just do less of a reps. Very good. Take a deep breath, inhale. First have a look, tuck your toes in, lift your knees up, come to a plank posture. Fingers nice, wide and open. Glutes must be lifted up, engaging your core. Now from here you slowly press your chest down towards the floor. Guys, if you can't do this, drop your both knees down. Just same. Try to go down. Make sure elbows are not pointing outward. Take a deep breath, inhale. Once again, lift the chest. Exhale. Inhale. Guys, I have shown you the modification. Once again, I'll show you. Drop the knee. This is the modification. If you can't, come up. Okay. Take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Just up and down. Take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Inhale to chest up. Exhale. Keep moving, guys. Inhale to chest up. Exhale. Inhale to chest up. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale to chest up. Exhale. Just now. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Go down, sit back into a child's posture. Breathe. Deep breaths. Feeling the bloating of abdomen over the thighs. As you inhale, your abdomen bloats out. As you exhale, it moves towards your spine. Take a deep breath, inhale, slowly rounding your back. Come back on your place. Sit on your heels. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. So guys, hope you enjoyed. So this was a kind of more of working on your arms, shoulder, triceps. I hope you like this session. So before I conclude this, we'll do a breathing exercise. Be breathing. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Have a look. Keeping your palms or your thighs facing roof. Eyes closed. Just focus on your breath. Slowly calm down your mind. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now guys, we'll produce a humming sound, a long drawn out humming sound, which is going to be 6 times. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Have a look. Palms of your thighs facing roof. Inhaling. Try to produce the sound from the navel. Deep breath, inhale. Deep breath, inhale. Deep breath, inhale. Deep breath, inhale. Continue. Inhaling. Relax. Catch your breath. Just feel the vibration around yourself. Now slowly join your palms together in front of the chest. Start rubbing your palms. Cup your eyes. Bring your palms in front of the face. Very slowly and gently open your eyes and look into the palms. Tat Sat. Thank you.